Hey folks, Timothy Thomas here. Wanted to record a video this evening talking about the digital income system. Want to call this the digital income system review. Hey folks, if this is your first time on the channel, please like, subscribe to the channel. Folks, we bring video updates talking about how to be able to increase your self-worth, marketing products, services, and providing value in the lives of others. Hey folks, again, I want to talk about the digital income system and do our review. Folks, I've looked at this system for a little bit, and I want to share with you an automated income system that can easily make $500 to $12,500 per sale. It's an automated system without marketing, without complicated marketing, or even speaking to anyone. Notice it says without complicated marketing. And what we want to do, guys, we want you to just look at pieces of this video and see it's an automated business, guys. It's a business in the box. We're going to see a short video of this program and what it has to offer. And I like folks to take a look at things, and then they can make an informed decision about how they view the products, the services, the value that is bringing to the marketplace, and how it can increase the value again in people's lives. We're going to talk about this system, folks. The digital income system, this is what you get. You're going to get high ticket commissions. Sales are going to be closed for you, done for you traffic sources, high converting sales system working 24 hours, free website traffic for life, one-time payment, and no admin fee. This program is for everyone who wants more income. Here are some testimonials as we get down into the meat and potatoes of the program. Here are the testimonials. We have Brandon said that honestly, I was blown away by the entire process. Additionally, Lindsay said, I've been looking for something like this for years. DIS is a breath of fresh air. Christina said, I love the sales team, and they make sales for me. Folks, this, again, is a business in a box. It has autoresponders. And all you do, basically, once the system is already set up for you, you just drive traffic. And at the same time, the system is going to provide you traffic for life. Daniel says, unbelievable how DIS works. So, I'm going to find out more. Remember, folks, there's no selling. There is no explaining, no hassles. We close all sales for you. This is the ultimate hand-free income system machine that runs on autopilot. When you join, you're going to plug into our exclusive done-for-you advertising packages. You drive visitors to your site of your choice. The DIS Business Consultant, this is the closer, will handle all questions for your prospects. Folks, if you're viewing the video, even if folks will call and ask me questions about the system, guys, I will refer you to callback center. The callback center, callback request, create a callback request, and the coach will answer all the questions. And that's why I don't answer any questions about the system, because the coach is doing for me. It's a turnkey system on my behalf. And we want to automate the process. Folks, and when the coaches close sales on you, you will receive a commission of, it's possible to receive a commission of $500 when your product package is sold, $1,500 product package, $2,500, $6,000, even $12,500 delivered directly to your door when the sales are made for you. That's it. There's no complicating marketing formulas, no phone calls, no talking, no chasing. Simple, easy, rewarding, and you can make all the money you want. This includes a lifetime of free traffic in the traffic rotator. Now, folks, with our team that you're going to come a part of, if you decide to join our team and partner with us, you not only will get traffic from the company, but I have a traffic rotator. In another video, I will share with you that rotator and absolutely how it works. I can't put all of it in one video. This is my first review. And you can click the mouse, guys. If you can click a mouse or mail a postcard, folks, you can do this. All the marketing is done for you. All the sales are closed for you. Let us make money for you, guys. You can request a callback. Here's why many people are joining us. There is no selling, No explaining, no calling, no chasing family and friends, no dealing with the internet unless you want to. Folks, you can mail postcards, you can do solo ads, you can post on Facebook. However you see fit, we have all kinds of training available for you. No wasting time with tire kickers, people that just, just interested in seeing what you got and not ever taking action. No more having to take fake phone numbers. No more relying on fake email addresses. No more listening to sob stories and or excuses. No more being left behind in sponsored programs. And that's the disclaimer, guys, at the bottom. You can read that at your leisure. Now, also, we're going to look at a brief video of what this system can do for you and what it has done for people. And I'm going to come back and show you some of the benefits of the system also in further detail. Let's listen to some of this video, and then you can go back in your leisure and listen to this in more detail. I'll leave the link below the video.
Future is to make a lot of money right now.
We're going to skip around a little bit in this video, guys.
Burnout, working too hard, and making too little. Keep the system. So how does this work? We have a simple three-step process. Number one is lead generation. We have exclusive sources you can plug into instantly to drive targeted visitors to your digital income website that we're going to build for you. As a bonus, in addition to your own traffic, the digital income system will also send targeted traffic to your website to generate true hands-free sales for you on autopilot, all at no extra cost. Your prospects will go through a professional website uniquely coded with your custom ID number. So you can be sure each sale is tracked with complete accuracy to you from the first visit all the way through the sale. Our automated system engages your visitors, sifts through the time wasters and tire kickers, and then our business specialists call each of your qualified prospects by hand to close the sale for you and walk them through the getting started process. And best of all,
folks, did y'all see that? It says that your coach will call people for you when they request a call back. Here, they can request a call back. Your coach is going to call for you and close the sale on your behalf. Folks, you never have to talk to anybody. We just drive traffic to sell the product packages, and then you get paid.
One of our professionals close the sale on your behalf, we will send you a huge commission check right to your doorstep. We're going to notify you when you have money on the way, no matter where you are. The system works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You just relax, open your mailbox, and count your money. Just listen to what a few people already using the DIS system have to say.
I have been a member of the digital income system for about a month now. I've generated $26,500 in the last 31 or 32 days, and I just wanted to...
Dan said he's generated about $32,000 in a little over a month's time. Let's go a little further in the video. Let's...
joined the opportunity, and it's insane, guys, how simple this truly is. I have money flowing.
Brandon's made $224,000 in a span of about 2 or 3 months in the system. Incredible results.
To my mailbox every single day almost
on autopilot.
Incredible, guys. You guys who have been struggling online to make any sales need to jump on this. This is the easiest thing I've ever seen. Thanks again, digital income system, and keep those checks rolling.
What's going on, my friend? Daniel Cup here from Derry, New Hampshire. I've been a member of the digital income system now for just over 30 days, and in the last 30 days I've made a little over $32,000. It's just been absolutely awesome, and I've just been completely blown away by how smooth the system really is. The coaches just make it super simple to get going. They answer all your questions, and the leads, the sales, everything comes in on autopilot, and the coaches literally close all the sales for you, so you don't have to worry about picking up the phone or getting your leads involved and calling them and doing all that stuff. All that stuff is done for you. So, like I said, I've just been really blown away by this system. And originally how it happened is a close friend told me about this system. system, someone that was making a ton of money. And when I checked it out, I was a little skeptical at first because it just sounded too good to be true. And then when I got involved and I got inside and I saw how it all worked, I just knew I had to get started. And it has done just that. It has lived up to what I heard about it and much, much more.
We're going to pause the video there, guys. You can go back and listen to it all in your leisure. But guys, that is what is possible with this system. It says, what do these people have that you don't? The secret to 100% hands-free income delivered straight to your front door. And it shows individuals. These are people from all walks of life receiving commission checks for the product sales, which are personal development products. Folks, digital information is the wave of the future. Being able to sell those product packages, educational product packages that's going to be a benefit and have value and help people in their lives. Folks, this is exciting to see that. And when you opt in your name and your email address, your cell number, you hit instant access, guys. You're going to get access to the information. I believe a page that looks like this. Hang on tight. I'm going to show you. It's a page that looks just like this. You're going to access to a page that looks like this after you opt in. Yes, here it is, guys. The page is going to look like this. Get your hands on the automated income system. After you opt in, it's going to take you to this landing page. And here again, there are testimonials of some of our top members in the program. You can request a callback with the business consultant. Again, guys, that's a business in a box. You're marketing digital products. The marketing can be done for you. At the same time, you are encouraged to get traffic on your own and drive traffic to your landing page. And folks, the system will take over. Autoresponder messages will go out on your behalf. We'll talk about the autoresponder messages in a later, at a later time. When you hit the call, schedule consultation with a coach, a consultant, guys, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Let me show you. All right, I got it right over here. Let's just actually go over there and hit that button real quick. Request a callback. And it's going to take us to a page, and you're going to be able to fill out what level of participation you want to come in. Your sense of urgency in coming in, and things like that. So it's going to be exciting, guys, to look at this page. I want you to take a look and see what your thoughts are. Here it is. Connect with a coach, commit a game plan, collect your earnings. You're going to put your name, your email, your phone number. Okay, the referral ID, that's my referral ID. The level you want to join. The level you want to join. We got several levels: the entrepreneur, the director, the personal, the ambassador, and the executive. Now, guys, right now we've got a bonus that if you come in at level 2, the director, we're going to bump you up to the 5K level. You come at the 5K level, we're going to bump you up to 12K. You come in at 12K, we're going to bump you up to 25K. Guys, I came in at one of these higher levels in here because I know the system absolutely is impressive to me. And I believe that it can help a lot of people. So that's why I came in at one of those high levels. So, guys, connect with your coach, commit to a game plan, and collect your earnings. That's it. You drive traffic, and the system will take over. It will do the follow-up. It does the selling, telling, explaining, so we never have to. And that's exciting. So, guys, that's part of the digital system review. I want to go over some bullet points, guys, real quick about the system. The digital income system. It is a business in a box. It provides traffic for life. The coaches close sales for you. You can market it online or offline. All you do is drive traffic. It has some of the best personal development products ever created to create value in people's lives. Our team, we have mega bonuses. We have training, traffic rotator. We have a postcard marketing guide. Guys, if you want to learn how to drive traffic, on our team, we have training for traffic driving. We have resources available. We'll put you in the Rotator. And we have a postcard marketing guide. Basically, set and forget it. And that's really exciting. Let's go one more thing down.